Hey guys, at PCRepairHelp.net we do the power jack repair services for $69 parts and labor. And today I have a Toshiba L70-C laptop that needs the jack replaced. It's very loose when you try to plug it in. Just your typical power jack failure. When you plug it in, it does nothing. It's very loose. And with this one you need to remove the two screws to take out the battery here. And the next step for this one is to take out the optical drive. It's just held in by a single screw, and then the laptop will, or the drive rather, will come out of the bottom there. The next step for one of these is taking off the bottom panel. It's a whole piece bottom panel. There's no little door or something like that. The whole entire bottom needs to come off. So all the screws I'm removing here hold that bottom panel into place. Once you've removed all the screws of the bottom panel, you can take a guitar pick or whatever your favorite pry tool is and start removing that bottom panel. What I'm doing here, one of the screws is stripped and broken in there, which sometimes you can remedy pretty easily, like I was able to in this case, which you'll see in a minute here. But right now I'm taking the guitar pick and just going around the edge of the bottom case. You kind of find a little crack to put it in between, and then you want to run it along the edges to get that bottom panel case to pop up and come off. So you can just start working it around, and eventually that thing will pop up pretty easily. And in this case, the next step is to deal with that screw that's come in, or it won't come out. So the trick I use for this one is I kind of hold up the case and at the same time try to unscrew and remove it. What it's screwed into is the problem. That little nut has broken free from the case of the laptop itself. So if I apply a little bit of pressure and lift up on it, that screw will eventually come out. And the next step here is to remove this hinge cover. A couple of screws hold that little metal piece into place, and you can take that off. And once that piece is removed, you can hold up kind of pull the hinge up a little bit. In this case I use the opening of the laptop to naturally open that hinge, and then once it's started a little bit you can pull it up with your hands. And once you've done that, you can just remove the jack here. The actual jack had some little plastic tabs that were broken on it, and that's what was causing that failure. And you just want to unroute that jack, and you can unplug it. And now you have access to replace that jack. You just need to buy a new one, or you can solder a new tip onto the edge of that cable there. It's just a power and a ground. It's soldered onto the jack. It's pretty easy just to buy the whole cable as one piece, though, if you don't want to do the soldering part of it. And once you replace that jack, the laptop will be good to go.